Hello viewers, this is your tutorial on how to automate channel scraper on Reddit using Socinator. If there are Reddit channels you want to scrape, then Socinator can help you out. Let's start with the Accounts Manager screen from where we can navigate to configure the accounts. To do that, right-click on your Reddit account and hit Go to Tools. It will take you to the account configuration screen. You can also see the available activities which can be automated on Reddit through Socinator. Let's click Channel Scraper. This is very useful as it makes it faster and easier to scrape a number of channels within a period of time while narrowing them down in the process. There are several configuration categories for channel scraper activity. Let's begin with the first one, Search Query. As the name suggests, Search Query allows you to command the software on how to search channels to scrape. There are two important sections, Query Type and Query. Query Type defines how you want to search the channel. You can select the query type by clicking the drop-down button. Once you have chosen your query type, enter the query either manually by typing in this area, or you can click this button to import from CSV or text file. Select the right file and click Open. When you're done, click the Add Queries to the List button and it will be added to the queries list over here. To show you how this works, let's test each query type. For keywords, let's enter marketing, for example. Type it in this area, then click Add. So this will target Reddit channels containing this keyword and scrape them. The last one is custom URL. For this one, we need a specific Reddit channel. Let's say this one, for example, digital marketing. Copy the channel URL here, paste it in the query box, and click Add. So this will target this specific Reddit channel and scrape it. You can add several query types and queries depending on your preferences. If you want to delete a query from the list, simply click the trash bin button on the right side of the query you want to remove. Let's say you want to delete the first one, click it, and it's gone. The next configuration category is job configuration. This allows us to choose the speed at which an account should scrape channels. We have already created a few activity speed configurations which you can use, like slow with an average daily activities of 84, medium with 250, fast with 417, or super fast with 834. Super fast is not recommended for new or real accounts. If you want to define your own speed settings, click Advanced Settings. Delay between each operation is the number of seconds between each channel is scraped. Delay between jobs is the number of minutes the software should pause after scraping the number of channels you set in number of channels scraped per job. Number of channels scraped per job will allow you to specify the number of channels to scrape per job or per cycle. You may also specify the number of channels to scrape per hour, per day, and per week. Click this box to increase each day with a specific number until it reaches another custom number of max channel scrape per day. You can also create a daily schedule under day of the week when to operate. This is very useful if you want to keep scraping channels even when you're asleep or busy doing other things. If you don't want to operate on, let's say, Monday, click the trash bin button under Monday and it's gone. You can add multiple time frames in one day. Simply click the day you want to configure, Monday for example, provide the start and end time, let's say 12 a.m. to 1:59 a.m. and click Add Interval and it's added. Let's add another one on the same day. Let's say 2 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Click Add Interval. So as you can see, we can have several schedules in one day. You may save these time settings by clicking Create Favorite. Let's call it Reddit Channel Scraper. Click Save. We can then open it by clicking Select Favorite Time and choosing Reddit Channel Scraper. The next tool is User Filters. This allows us to filter the Reddit users on the channels we want to scrape. So check the first one if you want to filter those who are employees. Check the second one to filter gold users. Check the third one to filter moderators. Then finally, you can specify the minimum and maximum number of comment karma accounts, let's say 10 to 20. The last configuration category is post filters. This allows us to filter the Reddit posts on the channels we want to scrape. Check the first one to target sponsored posts. Check the second one to target locked posts. Check the third one to target archived posts. The fourth one will target those that are hidden. Next, you can target roadblock posts. Then you can target blank posts. And finally, you can target original content. The next one will allow you to specify the number of gold count in a specific range between two numbers. Next, you can specify the score in a specific range between two numbers. Then the num cross posts in a specific range between two numbers. And the number of votes in a specific range between two numbers. Finally, you can specify the number of comments, so let's say 10 to 20. When you're satisfied with all the configurations and are ready to start scraping channels on Reddit, let's scroll up. Then click Save. Success. After saving, let's click the status button to make it active. To view the channels you have scraped, click the Reports button over here. Now, let me show you another option in automating channel scraper on Reddit using Socinator. This one allows us to create campaigns, which is perfect for multiple accounts. To start, let's go to the upper right corner of the app and click the Social drop-down button and select Reddit. This will take us to the Accounts tab. Let's switch to the Scraper tab and select Channel Scraper on the left side of the app. Here we can name our campaign. Let's call it Reddit Channel Scraper. For query type, let's use keywords and type marketing in the query box. Click Add. For job configuration, let's select slow. Then we have community filters. So this allows us to filter the communities on the channels you want to scrape on Reddit. We can target should show media and should have emojis enabled, for example. When you're ready, let's click the blue button, select account or accounts. In this part, you can select multiple Reddit accounts. Since you only have one account right now, let's go with that by checking the box and click Save. After saving, let's click the red button, Create Campaign. If you want to proceed, click your account and the Save button. This will automatically bring us to the Campaigns tab, where you can see that we have successfully created our Reddit Channel Scraper campaign. Click the status button to pause the campaign, and the action button over here will allow us to edit, duplicate, or delete the campaign. To view the channels you have scraped, click Report over here. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you so much for watching.